So what makes marketing creative? Is it more imagination or innovation? Or is a creative marketing more artistic or entrepreneur? Historically, the term marketing creative has been associated with the words and pictures that go into ad campaigns. But marketing, like other corporate functions, has become more complex and rigorous. Marketers need to master data analytics, custom. So marketers need to master data analytics, as I said. So create with the customer, not just for the customer. Everyone likes to talk about being customer centric, but too often this means taking better aim with targeted campaigns. Customers today are not just consumers, they are also creators, developing content and ideas and encountering challenges right along with you. Creativity in marketing requires working with customers right from the start to weave their experiences with your efforts to expand your company's reach. For
Hello,
example,
ma'am. Ma'am, did you share with me?
no, it's working now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, for example, Indra Nui, PepsiCo chief, spends her time in the consumers world. You know that वो घूमती है, वो बाजारों में घूमती है, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को देखती है, ब्रांड को देखती है, कहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन क्या है, everything she used to go to each and every retail store and see how she can create. For example, uh, the uh, sun chips, sorry. Uh, she reduced the size of that chips, and she उन्होंने पूरा चेंज किया उसका कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, अट्रैक्शन कैसे होगा, कस्टमर को कौन सा. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस मार्केटिंग इनसाइट शी क्रिएटेड न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स विच कस्टमर इज मोर फोकस्ड ऑन. सो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जिससे. एंड another example is of Barcode, a data and network solution provider who created a customer first program by identifying the top 200 customers who account for 80% of their sales. They worked with these customers to understand their sources of satisfaction and identify areas of strength and weaknesses. Barcode then worked with sales team to create and deliver customized packages outlining what Barcode heard is working or not working and what they would do about those findings. Later, Barcode followed up with these customers to report on progress against these objectives. The result is, by this, the promotion score went from 50 to 62%, which was that time was more than enough, and it was done within 18 months. So invest in the end-to-end experience. Every marketer believes that customer experience is important, but most marketers only focus on the parts of that experience under their direct control. But creative marketer take as this as broader view and pay attention to the entire customer experience from end to end. Uh, Kaiser Permanent, if you have heard about this company, it believes that as health, it is a healthcare company which believes that a healthcare becomes more consumer oriented. The digital experience becomes a key differentiator. So they worked with the marketing team. They instituted a welcome program to help improve the experience for new plan members. Members were guided on how to register for an online member portal, which provides access to email, uh, the doctor, refill prescriptions, make appointments, and more. The welcome program required coordination with many areas of their business. As a result of this program, about 60% of new members registered within the first 6 months. So these members are 2.6 times more likely to stay with Kaiser 2 years later. Now, McDonald, what they did, they created hangout spaces. See, Indian markets are different from European markets. We all know they cannot bring what they have offered in other places, other European market. So in Europe, you will not get vegetarian burgers. Whereas in India, they introduce Mac because in every Indian cuisine, they found that potatoes is being used, whether it is in a form of snacks or otherwise. So they offered these for rupees 20, 25, 50, which anybody can afford. I think this again, two members are waiting in the waiting area.
Hello.
Yes, my
Ma'am,
slides
yeah. Achha, slide please.
slide is not working. Yeah, now I will show you this video. Go through this. You are able to see the video?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. See the creativity in this ad.
अब कैसे भरेंगे अपने दिन? क्या होगा रोज के रूटीन का? वो कॉफी लगाना और बस लग जाना। दुनिया से नजरें चुराते चुराते आइडियाज चुराना। बिना टिकट किसी की भी लाइफ में घुस जाना। खत्म हो गई वो रोज की जासूसी, वो रोज के झगड़े। कभी ताने सुनना, कभी जूते खाना और कभी पत्थर। सच, कार्टून तो हम दोनों ही थे। रोज खाली लौटता था और मैं रोज अपनी पूरी लाइफ इसमें भर देता था। पर अब क्या? कॉफी का मग तो आज भी कह रहा है चलो लग जाओ। अगर पेपर कार्टून के बिना चल सकता है।
Hello. Huh? It's not good. नहीं तो चल रहा है ये तो वीडियो। हाँ,
ऑडियो भी थोड़ा लो है।
रहने दो, रहने दो, नहीं रहने दो। वो बार बार नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम होता है इधर। हाँ, ठीक। तो ये बंद कैसे हो गया वीडियो अचानक से?
खाली नहीं बैठ सकते। तो कॉफी लगाओ और बस लग जाओ।
So you have seen that how beautifully they presented their creativity into this ad. Bring creativity to measurement and turn everything into advocate. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Hello.
Okay.
Not audible, ma'am, because all some video, audio.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. You continue.
Acha, okay. See, a look at some of the important innovative companies. I'll just show you how they have they created their ads campaign. what is this? The first slide. It is about that Wi-Fi is available in McDonald's. The second one is of FedEx. It is stating that the courier you can send the courier from China to Australia. Chupa Chups, it is sugar free, and Nivea Night. See the way they created their ads. So now just think, what is the greatest innovation of all times? Just think, we will get back to you. So an idea about how to creatively and persuasively communicate a brand message to a target audience. A message has to have an appeal, an idea that motivates an audience to respond. So this is what creativity is. Creative marketing is no longer a linear or simplistic thing. With so many media channels, creativity has become a multifaceted concept that cannot be accomplished by a single individual. Different people with different skills are needed to infuse creative insight into any marketing strategy. So think about everyone from your staff to your customer to your business partners as key elements of your marketing team. Provide each of these people with opportunities to creatively contribute to your marketing strategy. Innovation starts at the top, but leaders need to create the vision and live the values. अपने टीम के साथ बैठिए, brainstorming कीजिए, and you will get the ideas. That is how these multinational companies are working.